Hello everyone, this is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. We have completed active passive voices. If you have missed any video, then you can go back and check it out. It's our revision time today. So my students Kanika and Sahaj are coming to give the presentation on this topic. So stay with us till then. Let's start.
Hello everyone, our today's topic is voices. So there are two types of voice, active and passive voice. First is active voice. Active voice is clear and simple way for sharing our information. The formula of active voice is subject plus verb plus object. For example, Meena burnt the cake. Next is passive voice. The formula of passive voice is object plus verb plus subject. It is less direct way of sharing our information. Example, cake was burnt by Meena. The object will become subject and subject will become object. When we will change active to passive, change into me, he will be changed into him, she will be changed into her, we will be changed into us, you will be changed into you, it they will be changed into it they. So today we will only learn present tense. There are four forms of present tense: simple present, present continuous, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. The formula of present simple is subject plus verb 1 will be is, am, are.
Will change into is, am, are.
Will change into is, am, are. Active voice, he plays football. Passive voice will be football is played by him. Next is present continuous. Present continuous formula is and am will be changed into is being, am being. Active voice, he is playing football. Passive will be football is being played by him. Next is present perfect tense. Formula of present perfect tense will be has been, have been. Has will be changed into has been, have will be changed into have been. So, his homework has been done by him. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.
That's all for today. See you tomorrow with another presentation.